Temu does not currently support direct integration with Afterpay for payment options. However, you can still use Afterpay indirectly for purchases made on Temu by following these steps. Shop on Temu. Browse through Temu's website or mobile app and select the items you wish to purchase. Add them to your cart. Choose payment method. At checkout, select the option to use a credit or debit card linked to your Afterpay account. This card will act as the payment method during the checkout process. Afterpay process. Afterpay divides your payment into 4 equal installments, spread over 6 weeks. The first installment is paid up front, and the remaining payments are made every 2 weeks. Link your Afterpay card. If you already have a card linked to your Afterpay account, simply use that card during the Temu checkout process. Ensure your Afterpay account is active and has sufficient funds to cover the installments. Manage installments. After making the purchase, you can track your Afterpay payments through the Afterpay app or website. Ensure timely payments for a smooth experience. Follow up. Continue using Temu as usual and ensure payments are made according to the Afterpay schedule for a seamless transaction experience.